Business Analyst Skills List 2024. A business analyst is a person who analyzes and documents the business to bring it up to a high position. They use the attributes of
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprint Seal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Market environment, process, or system business. Business analysts are the representatives of change professionals who research their business or organization by reporting the system, process, and business to assist within the model, identifying liabilities, and originating solutions. A business analyst inquires about business needs, and a functional analyst translates and segregates requirements into system functions/solutions. These requirements work as a manual process without involving the system or any paper-based file, etc.
Business analysts proceed with many other job titles such as Business Architect, Business Intelligence Analyst, Business System Analyst, Data Scientist, Management Consultant, Process Analyst, Product Manager, Requirements Engineer, System Analyst. A business analyst can transform an organization by addressing negative thoughts and fostering a more robust, competitive, and digital-based business environment. Roles and responsibilities of a business analyst should have better knowledge of the business process, requirements, design, and implementing solutions. Keep up with the latest technologies to automate the process and engage with business experts and users to improve efficiency. Need business analyst skills to figure out how to research the business process, reply to the feedback, and manage the team members. Ability to handle budgeting and forecasting. Important to check the regular requirements of planning and monitoring the projects. A business analyst takes complete responsibility for pricing. Better to conduct detailed market research and competitive analysis. Responsible for regular reporting and bridging it business gaps using data analysis. Managing all the competing resources and priorities with regular checks on deliverables. Need to handle the project management at the end. Understand specific ideas, technologies, and functionalities. Top 10 Business Analyst Skills. A business analyst should be able to perform multiple duties. It would lead them to have a strong skill set that works for both technical skills and non-technical skills. The business analyst skill set are understanding the business objective, analytical and critical thinking, communication and interpersonal skills, negotiation and cost-benefit analysis, decision-making skill, programming languages, creation of reports and dashboards, database and SQL, Microsoft Excel, documentation and presentations. Here we discuss the business analyst skills list. 1. Understanding the business objective. A business should be able to reach the organization's goal by solving the problem as much as possible. It helps them to recognize the problems and come up with a better solution. It is always good for the business analyst to have the domain knowledge to work with the organization. It would help them to bring up the invention in the business. Always the business analyst's work should enable a change with the motive of increasing sales, scaling up production, improving revenue streams, etc. It is better to understand the business motive initially in a business analyst's journey. 2. Analytical and critical thinking. The client's requirements of analyzing and translating requirements are done by the business analyst. Critical thinking helps the business analyst to work with multiple options to receive a better solution. Business analysts focus on understanding and gathering the client's requirements. Hence, critical thinking helps to show the business needs. A good analytical mind would help the business analyst to reach the goal even if there is a limitation in the resources and the conditions. 3. Communication and interpersonal skills. Communication and interpersonal skills are common in business analysts. Communication is the basic ability to communicate concisely with clients and stakeholders about their requirements. They use verbal and written communication to convey information such as ideas, facts, and opinions to clients. To get confidence in facilitating meetings, the business analyst should have good communication and interpersonal skills. Recommended Sprint Seal Course: Communication Skills Certification. 4. Negotiation and Cost-Benefit Analysis. It is necessary to highlight here that a business analyst should have negotiation skills. In every project phase, the business analysts might negotiate. It works in the initial stage of the project for the analyst to decide and negotiate to include the project visions. Business analysts use their negotiation skills to the priority levels and requirements based on the requests. Negotiation skills play a significant role in the project's progress in deciding a function and fulfilling the requirements. Technical decisions are also used for negotiation skills. 5. Decision-making skill. Another important and basic skill is the decision-making skill, which is a non-technical skill. A business analyst makes the final decisions in the business, however, it impacts the company's business directly or indirectly. They should decide the requirements before presenting their decision. In addition, a business analyst interprets the problem and finds a solution for the business approach before making the decision. Hence, they test the other alternative approaches to make decisions based on the thoughts and requests. They implement the solution to test it finally. The business analyst also considers whether a particular design is discussed in the business or not. 6. Programming languages. Business analysts often lack programming language knowledge, but R and Python are beneficial for efficient data analysis. These languages offer libraries for data manipulation, visualization, and analytics, while statistical software like SAS and SPSS is recommended for better understanding. 7. Creation of reports and dashboards. The creation of reports and dashboards is an essential skill for business analysts. Business analysts should be aware of using business intelligence tools for creating reports and dashboards. General reports and dashboard reports are done by the business analyst to solve decision-making problems. It is necessary to make different reports based on the business request. Requirements: the sound knowledge of Tableau, ClickView, and Power BI is used. 8. A database and SQL. The next skill is database and SQL. They are very easy programming languages. The business analyst should have these programming languages to perform even better. The business analyst usually works with structured data to store and process the heavy data. The database and SQL programming languages contain relational databases such as Microsoft SQL Server, MySQL Database, Oracle DB, and NoSQL databases. The basic procedure for database and SQL is to write data definition and data manipulation commands such as create, delete, select, update, insert, etc. 9. Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is one of the fundamental and most important business analyst skills everyone should have. Excel is one of the most powerful and elderly analytics and reporting tools. Basically, the business analyst uses several calculations of knowledge and budget analysis to perform on unraveling business patterns. Creating different charts by using Excel to get dynamic reports relates to helps the business problem. Hence, it summarizes data by creating pivot tables on the charts. Microsoft Excel is employed to make an idea and editorial calendar, product list expenses, and revenue growth models for each new product supported by recent customer forecast. All of their help to make charts of the products is to budget across each category. Excel calculates the customer discount based on monthly purchase volume by products to the business analyst. They even help to find areas of a product for customer revenue to build strong customer relationships. 10. Documentations and presentations. A business analyst should have clear knowledge about their project documents to teach well and get the results concisely. They should be able to present their projects confidently in front of the stakeholders and clients. If the business analyst finds a problem in the presentation, they can use the previous solutions to save time and prevent unwanted issues.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.